Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hope you guys are doing well. Ready? Okay. I'm in Macy's in Cross County Mall. Running some errands before this snowstorm hits us, and just want to come on and say hope you guys are doing well and you're staying safe. Try to go outside and run whatever errands you gotta run before the snowstorm comes later tonight, especially if you're in the New York area, because I'm hearing we're gonna get like 8 inches and more, and that's a lot of snow. So if you don't have any food, go out, get your food, run whatever errands you gotta run, because you probably won't be able to go out within the next couple of days, right? And so that's what I'm out here doing. It's brick outside, but I'm just warm. It's sunny, look. Well warm out here. And the sun is messing up the floor.